I'm guessing by now you don't remember. We did this long ago, so we're going to do it again. We're going to convert text to time using the time function. You remember time? Hour, minute, seconds. If you have hour, minute, seconds, and you need to convert it over, time, minute, seconds. Over here on your right is just a write-up, pretty much what I'm going to state, and I think I pretty much stated. Here we go. 6. Notice this is going to be in text. This is time. What are we going to do? Time B6, B5, B4, and all we did was change the conversion. We just put this into a different format, but if we change this over to general, notice this is custom. If I just hit general, it's the same thing. So don't get scared by the initial numbers. Time is going to look like this. Until you convert it over, I'm going to back out. This is what it turns out to. 24 minus 1 minute is 11:59. Keep that in mind. You can throw a negative in there and time will convert. If you want to put 60 minutes, it's going to convert to 1 a.m. Why? Well, it's 1 hour. Then 1 hour is 0.041. 120, you don't have to follow this. You could go 720 minutes. You can go 86,400 seconds, and it's going to convert to, well, I would go 1 second less, so it'll go 11:59:59. You get the point. You can do whatever you want here, and you can see you can keep the same format. You can keep this, and you can use zeros. Time will convert whatever you enter. And I have to apologize for the glare. There's not a lot I can do with it. It's the bounce back from the computer screen. Since I have a white screen that you're looking at, so am I. And it just hits the screen and it just bounces right back into these things. That's why I'm not looking directly at you, because it is a true distraction. Trust me, I've spent hours messing with lights, trying to fix it. The only thing I could do is gray this to the point where it's a horrible, horrible experience. And I don't want to do that. You're going to see me changing glasses frequently. Sometimes I take the glasses off, and sometimes, I tip my head, so it's not too much of a distraction. Apologize. Sorry, there's not a lot I can do about it. Look, I know the folks in Hollywood do this, but I don't know if they're working with staring at a white screen. And anyway, Brad Williams, out.